Have you ever wondered how you can start a social media manager or a virtual assistant business with no experience, with no money, $0, zero naira in your account? You are in the right place, guys. My name is Natasha. I'm a social media virtual assistant with 6 years experience working as a virtual assistant and a social media manager. And this is why you should listen to me. Because today I'm going to be sharing with you everything that you need to know. Exactly what I would do if I had to start from the scratch this very October. If you are ready to jump into the world of social media management and make your own mark without FT investment, keep watching because I'm going to be taking you every step of the way. First thing first, you don't let lack of money or experience or money exactly, do not let it hold you back. The truth is, starting a social media management business is totally doable with the right approach. You just have to know what to do. Let me break it down step by step for you so that you'll be able to understand. I'm going to be sectioning into about 5 or 6 steps. Number one is learn and research. Yes, learn and research. What you can do is start by soaking up as much as possible. Soak much knowledge as much as you can. There are tons of free resources online, YouTube especially. That was what I actually used. YouTube, there are a lot of YouTube tutorials, blogs, webinars that you can actually join for free. You can follow industry leaders, join Facebook groups, and read up on the latest trends, what they are presently doing. This will actually help you to understand the basic and build your foundational knowledge about what you want to do, which is social media management or becoming a virtual assistant. Then number two, build your skill sets. What is it that you think that you actually really know how to do? Practice makes perfect. You have to do it repeatedly before you can become an expert in it. Use free tools like Canva, YouTube to familiarize yourself with content creation and social media scheduling. Many social media platforms, they offer free trials or basic versions that are perfect for beginners. So make use of all of these things, all of these tools. Try to familiarize yourself with it. Canva has a pro version, but you can start with the free version. Then number three, create a portfolio. Yes, this is very crucial and important. Create a portfolio. Even with no client, you can actually come up with a portfolio. You can build a portfolio from the scratch. Start by creating mock social media profiles for imaginary clients, imaginary business. Yes, I did that. You can do it also. You don't offer to help a friend or maybe local businesses in exchange for their testimonial so that you can be able to screenshot them and put them in your portfolio. Your goal is to showcase your skills and your creativity, and when you are able to do that using your portfolio, it makes all the difference. For network and market yourself. Yes, network and market yourself. Leverage your social media to your advantage, guys. Share your journey, tips, your success stories. Engage online with online communities. Join relevant groups and all of that. Networking can actually lead you to your very first client. I'm telling you. And you get to get valuable connections, which is a win-win for you. The number five, offer free or discounted services. Although I wouldn't really recommend you to offer free services without you having something in mind, but this is actually for you to build credibility. Consider offering a discounted services to your very first few clients. This will actually give you hands-on experience and valuable feedback while building your reputation. This is actually to get testimonials. If you have been applying for so long and you're not getting people to work with you, then you can use this approach. Then number six, set up your business. Yes, set up your business. Choose a catchy name, a name that is actually searchable on probably on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and create a professional website or a landing page. You can use free platforms to do all of this. WordPress like Wix, and you can make sure to include your portfolio, your services, and your contact information. What you can do again is that you can create websites from or link sites from using apps like linked tree, so that you can add different links to your, probably a link that shows your portfolio, a link that show your work, and add it to your Instagram bio. Easy as that. Then number 7, you have to keep learning and adapting. The social media space is always evolving. You have to stay updated, and the latest trends, the latest tools, and continuously refine your skills. This will help you it will keep you competitive and relevant. You don't get to a stage where you don't know what exactly is happening. You have to keep learning. Then another thing is that you have to make your creativity come to life. You have to always be creative. Share the things that you don't think hoarding information will make you go higher. Be strategic in your approach and be dedicated. You can start a successful social media manager business even if you are starting from the scratch without no money. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and insights that I'll be sharing with you in the coming weeks also. Do you have any question? You have any advice that you want to add to what I've already said? Drop it in the comments and I will be there to respond to you. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching. Lovely day.